I'm so excited, man. Like, even though I hate to spend the money, because the money was like so unexpected. Like, I was literally so unexpected, man. But
yeah, it's doing 2 time. Hey, subscribe to my channel, Buddha. You got power. Yeah, it's doing 2 time. I do everything. Yeah, it's doing lifestyle. Check out my podcast, doing lifestyle. I do everything. Yeah, I do everything. Yeah, subscribe. I do everything. Yeah, I'm coming like a train. Took the horn up. You know I'm doing my fucking thing.
what to do, YouTube, man? It's boy Doinks. We're back with another video. Damn, it feel good to stay outside, man. The boy chewing on some seeds, and I'm sick, man. I do not feel too hot today. I promise you I don't. As I can see, man, we got the truck back last night. Yes, sir, we got the truck back last night, man. I am so excited. Y'all don't understand how excited I am. Because I was driving the box every day. I say about 4 days. I drove this one 2 days work, and I drove the other one 2 days work. And I definitely was missing this truck. So, y'all gotta excuse me. I'm gonna pop the hood real quick. So what the guy did, he sent me a picture of exactly what happened. Come to find out, my pushrod was bent on the passenger side, and he took off the DOD thing, and also he took off, I don't know if it's the government thing, basically when you going like 100 or something, it'll cut off on you. It'll shut down. He took that off too. So I think it's in V8 mode, however it goes. So yeah, man, he took down all that, man. I'm excited. I was saying to myself, like, damn, he done took a lot of shit loose. But he worked on it so much. And so, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing. You work on it so much, that shit ain't nothing no more. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. Boy, I know he had caught hell. Taking everything loose. Then putting everything back. Man. But she do run better, man. She sound better. Thank God. Promise you. Got my cooling thing back straight. He the one put my brother mode in his box Chevy, the LS. I was driving this bad boy. I think tomorrow I'm gonna order some shocks tomorrow for the front and back. Cause my springs, y'all gotta understand, like my springs, man, they ain't bad at all. The car still ride good. She ride, she smooth, you know what I'm saying? But I do think the shocks back here, these air shocks, and I think they just gone out. So, about that being said, I'm definitely gonna have to get some new shocks for the back, because I think the wire is cut from the shock. But everything good up here, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and order a new rotor. I'm gonna order a new rotor. So I want the chrome rotor. But then I already have this, the plate. I got a chrome plate that I had probably 2 years. I ain't even put it on yet. So I'm gonna do the plate, the rotor, change the brakes, and everything else good, man. I'm gonna, you know, paint all that. I'm gonna get like some gloss black and stick up under there. Gloss black gonna go hard, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all just gotta excuse me how I look today. Like I said, I've been to bed all day, man, but I still gotta get out here and grind. But we're gonna crank this thing up so y'all can hear real quick. And I hate being sick, man. I'm telling you, bro. Oh, you can't do nothing, just be in the bed. Man. Door's gone, man. Oh my God. Whew. Jesus. She's back brand new, man. Y'all new to the channel, man, y'all subscribe to the channel. Also, y'all can check out my other videos that I have. Also, if y'all scroll all the way down to my videos, y'all can see that I had cutlasses, more box Chevys, man. I had them things on deck, man. So maybe them videos can help y'all out. At the very bottom of all my videos, y'all can just rewatch those. My new video, my latest video, y'all seen that I actually had the problems when I was putting the oil and stuff in with the truck. And I was putting the transmission fluid. I put the transmission fluid and all that stuff in, and it still wasn't causing a problem. I mean, it still won't fix the problem. So I'm gonna move it out of the way. So that's when he said I had a push rod, bent the push rod. Man, I hate being sick, man. You don't even be yourself. Man. Then I gotta work tomorrow. Whew. I don't know how they're gonna work out. So I'm guessing today I'm probably gonna try to just go up in there and do some workout so I can sweat all this shit out of my body. Try to, it's possible. All right, guys, man, I'm so excited, man. Like, even though I hate to spend the money, because the money was like so unexpected. Like, I was literally so unexpected, man. But the dealership wanted so much. Dealership wanted like $4,000-5,000, bro, from the dealership just to change that one lift out. I said, ain't no fucking way. But yeah, so I was out of $1,000, man. That's taking the heads off, changing the gaskets out, you know, then put the push rod shit back in. Basically get my truck back fixed, man. And then the DOD thing and the other thing, you know what I'm saying? So I was out about $1,000. But I still saved money. So, like I said, I needed it. It was I was gonna either find somebody to do it that I think they can do it, but I just hate the fact that I didn't want to feel like, damn, I shouldn't have took my car there, man. I should have took it here. Like, I didn't want that type of feeling. So I was hoping this guy say, all right, I'll do it, man. Until he said, I got you, I'll do it. So I sent it to him, man. I say he had my truck by 4 days, even though he said he couldn't get to it right then. He still had some cars in the way, but I was literally thinking it was gonna be like a week before he gets started. I definitely wanted to see what this light fix mine, but I doubt it. I think this more of a round part. Like right up in here is more round. And this car here, it is, no. Oh yeah, that could be two different kinds. This tall, and this more like a sharp edge. So nah, that ain't gonna work. I thought I sworn it had some white lights, y'all. I want the white ones. Maybe I need to get some. I don't know. That's what I need. I think the white will set it off. And I want to lift it a bit up some more. Let me see. It's possible now, but I'm gonna have to somebody said I can lift it up some more with the control, but I want that bitch standing up tall in the air. She good right now, but I want that bitch standing up. But she still flows the ride. So yeah, guys, like I said, man, it really won't take much to get this car painted. You know what I'm saying? The button worked. Also, the button worked, so I had to get that fixed with another what's name. You could pop the trunk with that. I know y'all seen it in my videos already. So yeah, man, she clean, dog. I even thought about switching the interiors out, but it's gonna be a lot that I have to do, especially with this back part back here. But yeah, she clean, dog. I don't know, big dog. Cause it's gonna be hard to find another car like this. All the dope handles and shit on, carpet clean, man. All this shit just need shampoo, wash and shampoo, man. That's really it. Wash and shampoo. Wash and shampoo. And she gonna be right, dog, for real. All right. But yeah, man, like I said, man, I wanted to make this little video today. It's a little small video, man. Let me get my truck back, man. And y'all know that I did have to take it to the shop, that I did have to, you know, go and pay that price. But it wasn't a bad price, man. So she's back right. She's back around like she's supposed to. So, man, y'all, I really appreciate y'all for the comments. Let me know down below, man. Comment. Like I said, man, we trying to grind. We're going to continue to grind, continue to shine, continue to work, man. So y'all just stay tuned. These, I got to take these bitches back. Yeah, I don't know. Every time I mess with this stuff, I don't know why I just leave shit here. It's like I don't even be filling up to it to get it back cleaned up, but definitely gotta get that, man. Dude, my axle. I still got this motherfucker. Man, broke like a bitch. Still got that motherfucker. Gonna do something with that. All right, guys, man. Like I said, it's a short little video, man. Gonna hold y'all up, man. Y'all, thanks for watching, man. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like, thumbs, subscribe button, man. Turn the post notifications on, man. Y'all be verified when I pop some videos out of nowhere. I ain't never know, because I pop them videos out of nowhere. Go up real quick, y'all. Sorry about that. So, as I hear, she's purring like she used to. She's back normal. All right, guys, so basically what happened was the vehicle had a bent push rod. Yeah, she had a bent push rod, y'all. Y'all gotta excuse me, open this thing up. Telling me this thing back here open. Good thing I like about these vehicles. It shows you. Let me see, will it go away? If it don't go away, it might be the actual mirror. Y'all know these vehicles have these right here. So it could be, let me see. Okay, it's not that one. Hold on. So that's it, this thing comes off. All right, she's off now. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. And I also didn't know he changed the oil. I didn't know I can reset the oil, because normally, like when I changed the last time, it says 65%. But he changed the oil, and then he did something right here, and he reset the oil thing. But yeah, guys, so what happened was it caused one of my lifter to get a push bent rod, and that would cause that problem. I also did the DOD delete. I didn't know what that means, the DOD thing, because he was like, I can go ahead and get that off just in case, you know, something like that try to ever happen again. So I just told him, why not? You're gonna take it off. So guys, we're back rolling. She sound good, she run good. So guys, she's running pure. This is just what I had to do. So if y'all watching this video, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all can comment down below, let me know what y'all going through. You know, y'all going through the same situation, and what all happened. But like I said, that's exactly what happened to this truck. I hated it, but hey, at the end of the day, I had to pay the money, and I'm so satisfied, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I do remember what caused this to happen, y'all. So I'm actually in the Kroger parking lot. I had my neighbor needed me to pull their vehicle home. So I didn't think none of it, no biggie. I even pulled a vehicle before with this truck. But I think my neighbors were actually riding on a brake, which caused more strain on this truck. So when it did that, I'm guessing that will happen. Cause like the next day, like I was there that day, and the next day I cranked it up on my way to work, and that's when I heard that tapping. And right then and there, I was like, whoa, that's not good. But I didn't think that caused it. I just thought maybe the gas I put in here, but it wasn't the gas. It was the lifter that was causing me pulling the vehicle. So I advise y'all to probably find another truck or do something like that, but I would not pull nothing with this truck anymore. I don't even want to risk it. I don't even want to give it a try. I'd rather not do that. But thank y'all for watching this video. Just a small video of me getting my vehicle back and me being happy and satisfied. I'm 100% satisfied. So y'all, that was the issue. And I hope y'all, if none of the other stuff worked, I hope y'all take it to a local good mechanic that can work on it. My vehicle was gone probably 3 days and it was back rolling. Like I said, you can't even, she just purring like she supposed to purr. Thank y'all for watching this video. We're out.